Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a new radio. Well, it's new to me. It's been out for a while. This is the RETEKESS V111. Got a lot of features. You can see the features on the box there, and I'll be going over those. Comes in two versions, and it's marked on the box right here. The medium wave with 9 kilohertz steps, and the medium wave with 10 kilohertz steps for the United States. This, of course, is the 10 kilohertz one. Here's the radio right here. Nice looking radio. Nice finish. Kind of a dull black finish. Comes with carrying strap, which is cloth. I prefer cloth. Earbuds. And the manual. It's AM, FM, shortwave, and it doesn't say here, but it's also long wave, and it's a DSP receiver. The frequency ranges, I'll tell you in just a second. Here we go. See if I can get my camera to zoom in. All right, camera. It's time. There we go. It has 3 FM bands, depending on what part of the world you're in. The top one, of course, is the one for the US, which is 87 megahertz to 108. And we have 2 other ones. And we have 2 medium wave bands, depending on the step size. And mine is the 10K step size. And it has long wave, 153 to 279 kilohertz. And finally, shortwave, 3.2 megahertz to 21.9. And then below that, you can see the tuning increments for each band. Okay. The size is, let me move it a little closer to the camera, is 5 inches by 3 inches by about an inch. It does have a built-in kickstand, and there's the telescopic antenna, which is about 17 inches long. Uses AA batteries, 2 AA batteries, or can use a USB micro adapter or your computer to power the radio. It does not charge batteries, so it doesn't have a built-in charger. Here's the Earbud Jack, and this is kind of a unique, this button, this is the total on-off. So normally, you see right now, when the radio is off, the clock is on, and so the display is still being used, and it's drawing power. If you don't want that, you can use this switch, turn it all off, and then everything is off, and it's not draining the battery. Turn it back on. There's the time again. Alrighty, let's take a look around. Oh, one other thing is it's got about a 2-inch speaker. Look around the buttons here, so I can get the camera to. Okay, the first button up in the upper right-hand corner, it's kind of unique. It's marked favorite. And what that is you tune in an FM station, FM only, and then is your favorite FM station, and then you push and hold that button, and it marks it. And then when you turn the radio on, if you're like in medium wave or short wave, you can push that favorite button, and it'll go directly to that FM station. Okay, down at the bottom we have the band selections: short wave, medium wave, or long wave, and FM, the 3 FM bands. You select one of the bands by pushing the FM button. Then we have the volume up and down, and the tuning up and down. We have mute, which is kind of unusual also, in that it mutes the audio, but the radio is still on, and you can still see the display of the frequency. Power button here, which also controls the sleep timer. And there are no tuning knobs. You use This right here, the tuning buttons to tune up and down. Nothing over here, nothing on the bottom. Now it does have kind of a unique tuning system in that you can momentarily push one of the buttons up or down, and it will move up and down the band. Or you can push and hold, and it will do a seek function to find the next strongest signal. Let's try that. Okay, we'll turn it on. So you hold the power button, and now it's on. It's on FM. Turn the volume up a little bit. I don't know what station I left it on. Oh, let's FM and shortwave. You use this. The telescopic antenna extends about 17 feet. Feet? Oh no, inches. So we'll push and hold here, and watch the display. And now it's looking. Whoa! There we found one. It was looking for a strong signal. Okay, let's go up to another one. Do it again. There we go. Trying to find one that didn't have music. Nope. Getting a lot of stations. Oh yeah. I can't find one without music this time of day. There we go. Now we can turn the volume up. Oh, now he's going to play music. Oh boy. Come on, move. There we go.
What is sports? Sports.
Now it also has memory locations. It has 20 memory location for each band, except long wave. It only has 15, which is plenty, but there's not that many frequencies on long wave. Now let's do a ATS, automatic tuning and store, by using the memory button, pushing and holding. So there it goes. It's scanning. Storing in memory and overwriting anything you had in there before. So you got to be careful if you have stuff stored in there before, it's going to overwrite it. Now it did start at the lowest frequency for FM, which is 64 megahertz. It's got 20 memory locations, which is going to fill up in a hurry because there's lots of stations here where I live. Okay, it's through. Let's see what it found. That's probably music, but we'll turn it up first. Yeah, it's music. Okay, no music. Can't have music. So you can do that on each of the bands. And let's try it before, because it's still pretty early in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. Let's try shortwave. Okay, there's shortwave. It starts at 3.20. And we'll do the memory scan, ATS. There it goes. Whoop. Oh, I kicked the camera. I always have to do that at least once during a review. Okay, I'm just using the built-in telescopic antenna, and in order to show you, let's see if it swivels. Yes, okay, so I can get it better vertical. Hold on a second. There we go. Because the way I was holding the radio so the camera could see it, the antenna was not vertical. So it's going to scan through that entire shortwave band. The FM output on the earbuds is stereo. going to take a while. It's got a pretty good frequency range on shortwave. Okay, we're about halfway through the scan. I think I'll hold the radio up close so you can see the buttons up close. If it'll just sync. Okay, come on. Yeah, I can't get my camera to focus. It's trying. Normally it doesn't struggle this much. Maybe it's the lighting in the room. Okay, we're going to try. That can drive you nuts. Up to 15 megahertz. Up in this corner right here, it's real hard to see, and that's why I was trying to get it closer, is the number of the memory location that it's saving to. And again, it's got 20 memory locations for each band. And of course, shortwave, matter of fact, I checked the propagation, the solar flux index this morning, and it was a 69. I mean, that is the all-time low. So shortwave reception is going to be terrible right now. It may not find anything. And of course, it's using just that built-in telescopic antenna. Typically, for shortwave, those telescopic antennas are not long enough. You need to add a wire to it. And you need something like 20 feet long, at least. So I used one of those wind-up wire antennas that comes with a clip that clips onto this telescopic antenna. We're getting there. And well, it looks like it didn't find any signal strong enough for it to mark it and put it in a memory location. Again, like I say, shortwave right now is terrible. Even on some of my big radios with my big outside antennas, I struggle receiving anything on shortwave right now. Especially, like I say, the solar flux index is 69. I mean, it was in the high 70s, which is terrible because we want a number, a solar flux number, above 100. And it's going to take a while for it to get back up there. I think the prediction right now is to get above 100 is going to be like next year, late next year. Okay, it's about finished. I don't think it found anything. Should get rid of that glare there. Yep, it started over. So it didn't stop because it didn't find anything. So we're going to stop it. Let's go to the medium wave band. Okay, I got to stop. There we go. We stopped it. Didn't find anything. I wasn't surprised. Okay, let me get my finger down here so I can get. Okay. I keep pushing the shortwave button. There we go. There's medium wave. Now let's try a scan on medium wave. We should get something there. Oh, it started a shortwave scan. Now why did it do that? It was on the medium wave band. Okay, I'm still on shortwave. There, now I'm on medium wave band. Let me just tune manually, see if I was doing something wrong here. Okay, that's tuning the medium wave band. And let's try just the seek. So we're going to push and hold. And there it found a station. We'll turn up the volume. There you go.
I don't want to say sure. Might be
Directional.
one of the reasons that the criminals were like, hey, if we're going to rob a place, we can go to the retirement community where they may not have a lot of money. Or
do it again. There's the next station. Try it again. Getting a lot of interference from my electronics in my room, and that also affects the shortwave reception too. So that's it.